I'm gonna keep the old decal on there and just keep something original on it. But I don't know if I should go gray or the same color, red. I might have fucked this up.
See? Everyone's even saying that.
Copy now. Are you?
No,
The church was on Sunday.
she just don't want to do shit.
I can't do it on Sunday when I go
So?
to church.
I'm gonna cop out too.
No, the biker run that went when they went to Colorado up there to Walsenburg. My son came down. My granddaughter was here. Jerome? I don't remember Jerome. But this one on Sunday, I didn't know yesterday.
Is that gonna look cool, Rick, or no? Hey, check it out.
Yeah.
Maybe it is.
Already looks good.
Liar.
I'm lying.
Liar.
Oh shit, I got it, Dad. Oh,
You probably know your stuff
okay,
more
so
than
okay.
what other people would see.
Like, check it out.
That whenever if you see a flaw, you probably would see it before somebody else would.
Do I hit this one?
It's got a straight strip.
No, I fucked up.
Why?
No, maybe I hope I didn't. That's what I wanted right there. Wizard.
Yeah.
And that's the old decal that came with the
The
oil.
original.
Yes.
Yeah, see?
Did I do it good or no?
Yeah.
That was the plan, I think. It worked out, huh? And look, that's the old faded paint.
Yeah.
So I wanted something old on it, just to make it cool. Let's see if this side came out good enough.
The only people that are gonna say anything are
It's me. I'm the biggest critic, right?
Be the biggest critic in it.
Because I know the flaws where I fucked up.
And then anybody else that does the same thing you do, they'd be a critic.
Yeah, you're right.
I mean, that's what people have always told me. Like, I mean, it's nothing. Like, to me, I was like, it's not.
You're the critic of yourself, huh?
But yeah, they're like, oh, there's a mistake. Oh, you can't even tell. If you wouldn't even said nothing, I wouldn't even notice. And I'm like,
I know what you're saying.
but I right away, too. I right away see.
See, and then I'm gonna spray some clear coat over it.
Yeah.
And it should make it look freaking nice.
And it looks like maybe, like to say it was like something that was painted there separate.
Yeah.
You know?
Like a little, I just wanted that little,
like the emblems and
something
things
that
like
was there when it was made.
But the original,
Yes,
the original stuff,
yes,
the original
exactly.
name, brand, and all that stuff.
Exactly. Check it out, Rick.
Hold on, I'm trying to figure this thing out.
Hey, I like it.
See, I told you.
I thought I fucked it up.
No.
I was just trying something different. Kenny,
should have took some pictures of Carson so he could see him.
you should have.
Saw him up there.
Kenny's cool, man. Kenny Street Rodder. Kenny Miller. Look, I'm gonna advertise his channel right here. Watch it. Say Kenny Miller. Rick, Kenny Street Rodder.
Kenny Miller, Street Water. Street Water? Street
Street
Water.
Rodder. Badass fucking channel.
Badass channel.
That's a shout out for my brother, Kenny.
Yeah. Street Water.
Street Water. Oh, we'll drink the natural ice. Natural ice, bro. The good shit.
Sorry, bro. I'm buzzed, man. I didn't say it right, but God bless you.
He knows
bro.
who you are, bro.
Yep, I know who
I
you are.
show him your
I know
videos.
who you are.
He's a badass.
Even do this. Come on, down here.
What? Not gray.
No,
Black.
sunny
Yeah,
gloss
yeah.
black.
Or satin black. Damn, gun. Don't keep pressure in here. What the fuck? Come on. There's no pressure. Just gonna have to let it build and do it old freaking slow way. Oh well. We'll see what it looks like when I'm done. Compressor kicked in. Yes, I mashed like ass. First coat. And compressor's running good. It started again.